For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a Cricut business is a creative and potentially profitable venture. Whether you're making custom t-shirts, stickers, greeting cards, or home decor, integrating AI can streamline operations, enhance your creativity, and boost your marketing reach. Below is a 1,000-word, step-by-step guide on launching your Cricut business using AI tools efficiently. Step 1. Define your Cricut business niche. Before you begin crafting, you need to decide what types of products you'll make. Cricut machines can be used for custom t-shirts and apparel, vinyl decals for mugs, tumblers, and cars, personalized stationery or wedding items, stickers for planners, home decor signs. Use ChatGPT or other AI brainstorming tools to help narrow your niche. Prompt to use. ChatGPT, give me a list of profitable Cricut business ideas I can start from home, with examples of products I can sell. Step 2. Conduct market research with AI. Once you've identified a niche, study your competition and target market. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude.ai. Generate competitor analyses and target customer profiles. Google Trends. Spot trending product ideas. Insights 7 or Crayon. Analyze competitor sites and customer sentiment. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Analyze the Cricut sticker business niche and identify popular customer demographics, top-selling products, and typical price points. Step 3. Create a business plan using AI. A simple but structured business plan will clarify your vision and guide your efforts. Use AI to build a plan including executive summary, target market, product list, pricing strategy, marketing plan, cost and revenue projections. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Write a simple business plan for a Cricut-based home business that sells personalized tumblers and t-shirts on Etsy. Step 4. Register your business and choose a name. Choose a catchy, brandable name. Use AI-powered name generators like Namelix or Brandmark. Check domain name availability via GoDaddy or Namecheap. Register your business legally, LLC or sole proprietorship. Set up an EIN through the IRS, if in the U.S. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Generate 10 brand name ideas for a Cricut business that makes custom wedding decor and invitations. Step 5. Design your logo and branding with AI. Strong branding makes your business memorable. Use AI design tools to create logo via Loca, Canva, or Brandmark. Color palette and fonts. Brand style guide. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Create a brand style guide for a Cricut business called Vinyl Vibe that targets young mothers and sells cute planner stickers. Step 6. Set up an online store or sales channel. You can start selling on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram Shop. Use tools like Shopify's Magic AI, Etsy Hunt, or Marmalade to analyze keywords and optimize listings. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Write a compelling Etsy product description for a custom vinyl mug with a floral monogram design. Step 7. Use AI to design your Cricut products. AI image generation tools like Canva Pro generate ready-to-cut SVG designs. Midjourney or DALL-E create original images. Vectorizer.ai convert images to SVGs for Cricut. Designify or remove.bg prepare product mockups. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Give me ideas for unique Cricut SVG designs that appeal to dog lovers and can be used on tote bags. Step 8. Automate social media marketing with AI. You'll need consistent, engaging content to grow your brand. Use AI to plan content calendars, Notion AI, ChatGPT. Generate social captions, Copy.ai, Jasper. Create reels and graphics, Canva, CapCut AI. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Create a 30-day Instagram content calendar for a Cricut business selling wedding table signs and bridal party gifts. Step 9. Run targeted ads using AI analytics. Use AI tools to run smarter ads. Meta Ads Manager plus AI Audience Insights. Google Ads plus Smart Campaigns. AdCreative.ai. Generate ad visuals and copy. Test ad performance with AI tools like Pencil, AI-generated video ads, and adjust based on real-time feedback. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Write Facebook ad copy for a Cricut-based small business launching a new line of custom baby onesies. Step 10. Track sales and customer behavior using AI tools. Understand what's working and what needs improvement. AI-powered dashboards can provide insights into website traffic, Google Analytics, plus GA4. Etsy/shop performance, Alura, Everbee. Customer feedback, ChatGPT, Tidio AI chatbot. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Analyze the Shopify sales data and suggest which products I should promote more heavily next month. Step 11. Streamline operations and inventory. Use AI-driven inventory tools like CraftyBase or Zoho Inventory to track raw materials, vinyl, blanks, tools. Automate low stock alerts. Forecast material needs based on sales. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Create a monthly inventory checklist for a Cricut business selling 3 products: mugs, t-shirts, and stickers. Step 12. Offer personalization and upsells with AI. AI can help personalize customer experiences. Use chatbots, Tidio, MiniChat for product customization. Use AI email marketing, MailerLite, ActiveCampaign to send tailored product recommendations. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Write a customer email offering 10% off if they order a matching t-shirt with their personalized tote bag. Step 13. Get customer reviews and build loyalty. Encourage satisfied buyers to leave reviews. Use AI to automate review requests. Generate thank you messages. Create referral rewards. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Write a friendly post-purchase message requesting a product review on Etsy and offering a discount on next purchase. Step 14. Scale your business smartly with AI. As your business grows, AI can help you scale faster. Identify new product trends, exploding topics, Google Trends. Automate bookkeeping, QuickBooks AI. Manage customer service, Zendesk AI. Prompt to use. ChatGPT. Suggest 5 new Cricut product ideas based on current trends for graduation season. Step 15. Stay consistent and keep learning. Continue testing, iterating, and optimizing your products and strategies. AI is your creative assistant and strategic guide. Prompt to use monthly. ChatGPT. Help me review my Cricut business performance for the month and suggest improvements in marketing, pricing, and product focus. Final thoughts. AI doesn't replace creativity. It enhances it. By leveraging AI at every stage of your Cricut business, you'll save time, make better decisions, and grow faster. Let it assist you in brainstorming, design, inventory, marketing, and customer service while you focus on creating beautiful, personalized products that people love. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.